Hey, let's bust some health myths. Did you know drinking 8 glasses of water a day isn't actually necessary? Your body tells you when you're thirsty. And cracking your knuckles, it doesn't cause arthritis. That popping sound is just gas bubbles. And here's a shocker, you don't need to wait 24 hours to file a missing persons report. That's just TV drama. Now, about reading in dim light, it won't ruin your eyes, but it might give you a headache. Lastly, sugar doesn't make kids hyper, it's probably just the excitement of getting a treat. So, next time you hear these myths, you'll know the truth.